Yeah, I think in conclusion, I think when, I'd like to just say that I don't think our built environment, our infrastructure means anything without people, and without them, they're kind of empty follies, almost vacant of any of the things that we associate with the beauty of just being alive. So I think what I take as a common thread through all of my work, and in fact the work that we've seen and the conversations that we've had today, is that we do need to have a new understanding of community, and that community doesn't always look like what you've been told it should. It's still a set of people that live in our immediate vicinity, in the buildings in our street, but community is also about people who will never meet or will never know, and the people whose connection that you build on through the things that you share and the spaces that you share. So and I think that's why, for me as designers and makers, it's those small decisions that we make every day about how to make a building, a bridge, a tower, or a master plan the best that they could be. And it's more about ensuring that we are building design excellence, and that once again, and without upending, I suppose, what we've been taught to take as the definition of community, challenging as it is, and then insist, that people and place-based, people-based, to go back to Lazio's point earlier, is at the absolute heart of everything that we all try to do.